Short overview video introduce and / or buyer's reviews of YOMIGA wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, wireless HDMI 4K at 30 Hz extender adapter. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. YOMIGA Digital focuses on providing high-quality products for residential and commercial home entertainment. This wireless HDMI extender is a better choice for modern life and business office. Its advantages are: wireless connection, plug and play, no app software and Bluetooth required. It can transmit full HD 4K/1080p video and high-quality pictures on the same screen, as well as office materials. Support 5 GHz signal, strong anti-interference ability when running at 5 GHz working frequency, support point-to-point or many-to-one connection. The wireless signal transmission can be extended to a visual range of 30 meters/98.4 feet. Transmission through walls, floors, and ceilings, the distance will be shortened when passing through walls. The receiver has HDMI, VGA, 3.5 mm audio interface. Can support external audio. Support various brands of smartphones/tablets to connect to the receiver for wireless projection. This is a cost-effective way of wireless expansion of HDMI signals. It is small in size, does not occupy space, and is very convenient to carry, which can be widely used in business, home theater, education, games, conferences, outdoor and others. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.